I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make card recipes using an easy method. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and ready. A well-organized workspace makes the cooking process much smoother. We will cover straightforward steps to help you create tasty dishes without any fuss. This approach is perfect for anyone looking for a quick and reliable way to cook. Precise ingredient preparation is key to a successful recipe. Always measure dry ingredients carefully, using proper measuring cups and leveling them off. For wet ingredients, allowing them to reach room temperature can significantly impact the final texture and consistency of your dish. Don't forget to chop or dice any fresh vegetables or herbs as directed. When mixing, it's often best to combine your wet and dry ingredients separately before bringing them together. This ensures even distribution. Once combined, fold the mixture gently to avoid overmixing, which can lead to tough results. Finally, bake your creation at the specified temperature, for example, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for the duration indicated in your recipe. After baking, patience is a virtue. Let your recipe cool completely on a wire rack to set properly and enhance its flavor. Once cooled, you can add any finishing touches, like a sprinkle of powdered sugar or a fresh herb garnish. Now, your easy card recipe is ready to be served and enjoyed by everyone. Happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.